Hello and welcome to How to Helen. So we're about to leave tomorrow and we still have a lot of money in our Suica card. This is the card for the train or the metro rail. Now, if you don't know, you can actually use your Suica card to get some drinks from the vending machine. Let me show you. So I'm gonna get a latte for Helen. So you're gonna press the amount. Here you go. Then you're gonna scan it on the scanning area. So you're gonna hear it fall down. And ta-da! And it's still warm. Nice. Now I'm gonna get one more. We'll get a water for me. So this one, see? Then scan it. Then ta-da! So now you know how to use your money in your Suica card and you don't waste it. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name is Arjeff and thank you for watching.